Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. If you did debut in a Jesus time, talk truth, you think you would have did sell him out? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 22 from verse 7 to verse 23. Now, the holiday when people name bread without yeast did come. That time the people did have a bun sacrifice with the baby sheep them we get picked for the Passover holiday. Jesus said to Peter and John, say, go look about the Passover food for we yam. Them asked Jesus, say, which part you want if we go look about it? Jesus answered them, say, as uno go in at the town, one man will carry one jug of water with me to know. Follow him go the house where him go. And tell the owner, say, the teacher say fi ask you, say, where the guest room there, where me can yam the Passover food with me special follower them. Him a go carry no upstairs, go in a one big room where set up already. A deso, uno fi fix up the food. Them left and find everything just like how Jesus did tell them. And them look about the Passover food. When the time come for them yam it, Jesus and him apostle them sit down at the table. Jesus said to them, say, uno no know how me did well want that time ya come, so me coulda yam the Passover food ya with uno before me suffer. Me now go yam it again till me reach in a God kingdom. Jesus take up the cup and give God thanks. Then him said to them, say, take this and share it up amongst one another. Me I tell you this, me now go drink wine again till God kingdom come. Jesus take up the bread, give God thanks and broke it up, give them, and say, this are my body, when me a give up for uno. Uno fi do this, fi remember me. I see him so, when they done yam, him take the cup and say, that wine here are the new promise where God make with my blood, we are going to pour out for uno. But look, the man we are going to sell me out there right here so, at the table with me. It done decide already how the man where God pick I go dead. But trouble for the one we sell him out. Then start to ask them one another, which one of them wouldn't do that? A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.